How cool is it, Ma?
I like it.
How much do you like it? So this is Ma from Whatnot on the Pull Wags vlog. Street breaking at its finest.
Yeah, show us the old 2011 style. Bring it back real quick for us.
Let me tell you something about Moff. Without Moff, there'd be no Pull Wags on Whatnot, all right? So if you guys want to know why Pull Wags on Whatnot, you could thank him. What are you most excited about the Panini Fan Zone? I want Anthony Richardson to throw me the ball. Who do you want to throw you the ball? Can you pick it?
Broderick Jones.
This is an incredible opportunity, man. This is the Coliseum. This was made similar to the Coliseum in Rome. That was kind of like the idea behind it, and we're literally here. This is where Matt Leinart won national championship. This is where Reggie Bush won national championship. This is where a lot of history was made. I feel like I'm walking on historic steps right now. I joke around a lot, but this is one of the coolest things about sports cards is to be able to do stuff like this. Remember, don't forget to sleeve that up. Oh my goodness!
Like Panini has always said, it's very important to reward their best customers. So I think a little round of applause is in order for thank you.
We'll have a little fun discussion and
Run, Ricky,
take
run.
this wherever it goes.
Ricky Williams, I got a quick question. My father is a huge fan. I'm from Miami, so a lot of Run Ricky runs in the house. Who was the hardest hit that you've ever been hit by?
I bet that half of you could guess who the person is. Ray Lewis. Okay, yeah. So we were playing, we beat him that game, and it was a 2-point conversion. We were going for a 2-point conversion. I ran it was a hot route, swing route. We were trying to get it to me quickly. The quarterback threw it behind me, so I had to turn this way to catch it. And as soon as I turned this way and turned around, like the side of my head. And it was so bad when I was on my sideline. When I got up, I started walking towards their sideline.
Who was the quarterback?
Jay Fiedler.
Shout out to Panini, what amazing guest, and thank you so much, guys. If you're not on Whatnot, make sure to download the app. Ladies and gentlemen, just in case we win 2 more games against the Boston Celtics, I need to know who we're playing. I got to go home. I got to tell people how to cover each. First, I got to study the offense. I got to study the defense. So I came to LA to watch the